Good morning, everyone, and sir. My topic of my research paper is a study of marketing strategy on online food delivery apps in Goa. The apps that I have considered are Swiggy and Zomato. Introduction. The e commerce sector in India is rapidly growing at a very quick pace in the new days and up to the present date. Such rapid growth of e commerce is changing the way people think, assume, and perform. Today, almost all kinds of businesses are setting up online stores because of technology. The apps have made a lot of things convenient for the users. Digitalization has not left any industry untouched. People have been using apps more in this generation to avail banking services to booking a cab, movie tickets, buying groceries, apparels, electronic items, etc. Moving on with the objectives. The first one is to study the impact of advertisement on consumers. Second, to know the most used online food delivery app among consumers. Third, to know the challenges faced while using the online food delivery apps. And the last, to know the relation between occupation and frequent use of app. Research methodology. Primary data. The data was collected with the help of a Google form questionnaire. The respondents were students, employees, businessmen, housewives, etc. The data collected through the questionnaire was analyzed with the help of Jamovi software, and a meaningful conclusion was drawn thereafter. A brief questionnaire helped me in finding out the satisfaction level towards the services provided to the customers. Secondary data. The data was collected from various sources such as research papers and websites. Literature review. Shinu Gupta and Sachin Jain conducted a study titled Post Effects of Advertisement on Consumer Buying Behavior of Cosmetics in Ludhiana. Major objectives of this study were to examine the effect of advertisement on purchases of consumers. It was observed that cosmetic users do recommend others after watching the advertisements. The authors concluded that the cosmetic users are attracted to the advertisements in the mall and advertisements on television the most. Therefore, the cosmetic companies can use television advertisements as a tool to build their image, create awareness, etc. The next is Hafiz Muhammad Arshad, Dr. Madasir Noor, Nabila Wasim, Ahmed, Sara Javed conducted a study titled Impact of Effective Advertising on Consumer Buying Behavior. It was a study based on mobile phone purchases located in Pakistan. The major objectives of this buying behavior consumers affected the environment in advertisements. The author's source generates sensations in consumers. Environmental responses in advertisements have consumer buying behavior, but emotional responses have greater impact on the people to buy those things that satisfy them and to which they are emotionally attached. The next, Anita Vinayak, Richa Goel, Seema Sahai, and Vikas Garg conducted a study titled The Study of Interest of Consumers in Mobile Food Ordering Apps. Major objective of this study were to understand the consumers' awareness regarding the mobile food apps, to understand the various methods of comparing online food apps, and to find out the expectations of the customers. The author concluded that majority of the respondents were aware about the food apps, and Zomato is the most known and used food app as compared to Swiggy, Uber Eats, and Fasos. The next is Jyotishman Das conducted a study titled Consumers' Perception Towards Online Food Ordering and Delivery Services. Major objective of this study was to study how online food delivery services were perceived by the consumers. The author concluded that Zomato gained positive opinion as a majority of the consumers as compared to the other service providers because Zomato provides better time delivery and good discounts. The next is Dr. Bhagirathi Iyer conducted a study titled Consumers' Behavior Towards Food Ordering Through Mobile Apps. The major objective of this study was to understand the impact of demographics like age, gender, educational qualifications, income rate, income range, and marital status on mobile food ordering apps, and to find out the reasons for not using the downloaded mobile food apps. The author concluded that the present study found significant relationship between demographic factors influencing food ordering from delivery apps. Youngsters and working individuals were more inclined to online food ordering through food apps. Males tend to order more frequently from food apps as compared to females. The next is Dr. Neha Parashar and Ms. Sakina Gadyali conducted a study titled A Study on Customers' Attitude and Perception Towards Digital Food App Services. Major objectives of this study were to find out the most popular app in the digital food delivery apps and to analyze factors affecting the attitude of customers regarding food delivery apps. The authors concluded that there is an increase in the number of smartphones and food delivery apps. The present study found a significant relationship between factors considered important while selecting a food delivery app. Social media should be the most desired tool for marketing by firms. The next is Dr. A. Vinayaga Murthy and Mr. P. Madhavan, who conducted a study titled A Study on Influence of Advertisement in Consumers' Brand Preference. And major objectives of this study were to study the consumer's perception regarding the most effective media for advertisements and to identify the influence of communication in advertisement to decide consumers' brand preference. The authors concluded that due to the cutthroat competition in the soft drink industry, both the companies are striving hard for their market share, and they also stated that the companies have spent around 35% of the total cost on advertisements. Also, consumers' preference and attitudes change with time and age. Mediums of advertisement plays an important role in promotion of products was concluded by the authors under this particular study. The last one is Rajeswar Nupane, who conducted a study titled Advertising and Its Effects on Consumers' Behavior in Kathmandu Valley. The major objective of this study was to compare the effective medium of advertisement among newspapers, television, radios, and other display media in Kathmandu Valley. The author concluded that television was the most persuasive medium of advertisement. It is because advertisements on television are more glamorous and more specialized as it provides sound, color, light, and other features that no other medium provides. Moving on with the data analysis, the first objective is to study the impact of advertisement on consumers. The below table shows the frequencies of which form of advertisement has impacted the respondents significantly. A total of 26.4% of respondents have selected television ads to impact them significantly, whereas the least number of percent, that is 13.2%, prefer family and friends, and a majority of 60.4% of the respondents have preferred internet ads to have impacted them significantly. This is the graph showing the impact of advertisement on consumers. The second objective is to know the most used online food delivery app, and the below table shows the frequencies of which food apps the respondents are currently using. On level 1, we have Zomato with a total percent of 20.8 of the respondents using it, whereas Swiggy with a total percent of 37.7% of the respondents using it, and a total of 41.5% of the respondents are using both the apps. This is the graph for the most used online food delivery app. Moving on with the third objective, which is to know the challenges faced while using food delivery apps, And the below table shows the frequencies if the respondents have faced any challenges or difficulties while availing the food delivery services, and the levels are yes or no. 54.7%, which is a majority of the respondents, have stated yes, that they have faced challenges and difficulties while availing the food delivery services, whereas 45.3% of the respondents have said no, that they have not faced any challenges or difficulties while availing the food delivery services through the app. This is the graph for the challenges faced while using online food delivery apps. Objective 4 is to know the relation between the occupation and frequent use of app. Below is the table showing how frequently the apps have been used by people under service, housewives, self-employed and unemployed. Students have been using it on a weekly, bi-weekly and monthly basis with a total number of 28. Under service, the total number is 15. Housewives have been using it on a total number of 4. Self-employed with a total number of 4. And unemployed with a total number of 2. That is, students mostly prefer using it on monthly basis. As you can see, the number is 21 with a majority under the monthly column. Under service, they also prefer it on using it on monthly basis. Housewives also prefer using it on monthly basis. Self-employed as well as on monthly basis, and unemployed as well as on monthly basis. The below shows the the below value that has been shown, that is 0.828. As you can see that it is above 0.05, and therefore we accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternate hypothesis as the value is more than 0.05. Moving on with the conclusion. To be concluded, the respondents are aware about the online food delivery apps and are using it. Swiggy and Zomato have really drawn the customers through electronic medium of advertisement. Through the survey, it can be seen that the respondents have been aware through internet advertisements like YouTube, pop-up ads, etc. And the respondents agree that advertisement does affect their buying behavior. Hence, advertisement proves to be an amazing marketing strategy adopted by these apps to attract their customers. This study shows that Swiggy has been preferred more than Zomato. Swiggy provides restaurants with a wide and better range of choice, along with better discounts as compared to Zomato. Their internet advertisement also induces many people to use the apps. Thank you.